Good morning, guys. Today I'll be teaching you how to make a scrambled egg, and that's my recipe. Okay, so let's start. I'm gonna break this egg. I've been letting the oil like. Oh God, I messed it up. Wait, let me just take that part out and start mixing it. So yeah, you just have to stir it around for a while. At first, some people like to scramble it first when the egg is not yet cooked, but I like to do it this way. I don't know why. So yeah, there you go. That's my scrambled egg. And then you can like season it and things like that. Yep, with salt or whatever you like. Thank you.